Hey guys, so then let's learn how to add another account on Snapchat. All you need to do, guys, is to head on over onto the Snapchat application. And then basically, I want you guys to head on over and go down to find the Snapchat and of course, tap on ADD. So basically over here in your profiles, I want you to click on that. As you can see here, we have my account right here. You could also change your name and do stuff like that, obviously. But basically over here on your settings, you could click on your account and then you could also head on over in the very bottom. Okay, so basically all you need to do, guys, is since you do want to add another account over here onto your Snapchats, click on your logout. So click on log out and of course, proceed with the logging out of your account. And then over here, let's actually use another account. So click on that option. And then of course, you could also log in the details of that other account over there. And then, of course, the password as well. And then the next time you log out your account, you should actually see two profiles over here or two or more if you want to log in more accounts if you'd like to. And basically, you could easily switch from one account to the other, just like you can just by clicking onto the logout option until you see this screen over here, and then choose the multiple accounts whether you have 4. So that'll be one over here, another one here, and the last one over here. So basically, if you only have 2, that's going to be 2 side to side, one here and one over here. So basically, if you have multiple accounts, go ahead and use another account over here. Click on this option. Just by clicking on Logout, choosing which account you prefer to use, and then proceeding with that. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.